Hey besties, welcome back to Leendoskitchen. If you are new here, my name is Leendo and this is my kitchen, hence Leendoskitchen. And yeah, please do make sure that you hit the subscribe button if you are new so that you can become a bestie as well and be part of this family. To my returning besties, thank you besties so much for coming back. I really appreciate you guys for being here. So today we are making a very easy recipe, shortbread cookies, which only require 3 ingredients. So yeah, please do stay tuned, and also while you're at it, please give the video a like, a huge like. And yeah, also just drop your comment, and if you're not subscribed, just subscribe guys, like it's absolutely free. So yeah, let's get right into the video.
Ooh, when I'm feeling so hungry, I go watch my favorite girl. When she's cooking and baking, I love that delicious dessert. Man, I love that Leendoskitchen. Leendoskitchen, I love you, Leendo. Yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Man, I love that Leendoskitchen. Leendoskitchen, I love you, Leendo. Yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo.
Okay besties, so basically I'm gonna take you through the ingredients, but it's literally just 3 ingredients, which is so cool. So we have flour over here. It's just 2 cups of cake wheat flour, and then over here we've got margarine. You can also use butter. So I've got just 230 grams of butter, so basically almost half of that 500 grams butter. And then I also have here powdered sugar or icing sugar. I have just about half a cup of icing sugar. So basically those are the only 3 ingredients. So let me just quickly start. So firstly, you're going to just whisk your butter up until it's light and fluffy, and then you add your icing sugar and also mix the 2 together. So I'm going to be using an electric hand mixer so that it's nice and smooth, but you can also use a normal whisk. And then once the sugar and the butter have fully mixed and are nice and smooth, light and fluffy, then we're going to add our flour, and then we just mix everything together with our hands, and then we'll be done and ready to cut and into the pan. So also make sure that you preheat your oven to 180 degrees while you're doing that. So let me quickly switch mine on as well. Alright, so I'm just going to start whisking my margarine. So I'm going to start it on like a low speed before increasing it. Woo. Let me get my apron guys before I get myself dirty. Make sure that you are scraping off the sides. Okay besties, so basically our margarine is almost even light. So in terms of the color, it's going towards white. So it's fine. Now I'm going to add my sugar. So I'm first gonna add half and then mix, then add the other half. Okay besties, so we are done. So this is how our margarine and sugar look like. So right now we're going to add flour, and I'll be using my spatula to mix. I'm no longer going to be using the electric hand mixer, so I'm just going to put it aside for now. Okay, so right now I am going to add the flour into the margarine and sugar mixture, but I'm going to add it bit by bit. not gonna add too much at a time. Okay, besties, so I have my dough over here. I'm done mixing it. So here it is. So now I'm just going to roll it on the table, but I obviously need some flour, and it's a bit soft, so I need to make it a bit harder than what it is. So I'm just mixing it with a bit of the flour that is here. So now I'm just gonna roll it. Yeah, roll it out using my rolling pin. Yo, guys, I need to buy a new rolling pin. Just look at that. Yo, I need to buy a new one ASAP. So I'm going to start cutting. I have already greased my pan. So I'm just gonna be cutting. I'm gonna be using the square and the circle. So remember to dip in flour before you cut. Remember, don't twist when you are cutting. Please do not twist. Okay, besties, so we are done with our cookies. So I'm just gonna take them into the oven, and then I'm gonna let them bake for 10 to about 15 minutes. So you can just check they what can I say, they bake very quickly, so just make sure that they do not burn. So yeah, let me just quickly take them into the oven. And we are done, besties. This is how our biscuits look like. So basically they were in the oven for about 10 minutes and they were fine because I had preheated the oven. So yeah, that's why they baked very quickly. They're still a bit hot. Yeah, they're still a bit hot. I can't even touch them. So I'm just gonna let them cool, and then after a while, once they have cooled, they'll be ready to eat. And anyway, I really hope that you besties enjoyed the video as much as I did. I also enjoyed baking these because they are so quick to make. I mean, in like 30 minutes you could be done with both the mixing and the baking. 30 minutes literally, you're done with baking. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and if you do try it out, do let me know in the comment section below. And yeah, I'll be seeing you besties on my next video. Oh, please remember to subscribe and like as well as commenting. So yeah, see you next time. Bye.